All right, hey everyone, this is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care, and we're going to be doing some carpet cleaning again today. And we've got just some regular run-of-the-mill polyester carpet here that we're going to be cleaning up in a bedroom and a hallway. It hasn't been cleaned in a while, so it is pretty dirty. There's some soil and oils just from regular use. Not terrible though, which is good. But we're going to be using our special Dragon Citrus cleaner today that has some citrus that will help with the oils, and it has some oxy in it too that will help with some of the food stains, which we've got. This is a typical trouble spot right here, right between the kitchen and the living room. Spots like this, you know, just heavy traffic, you know, accidental food is gonna fall on this all the time, so that oxy is gonna take care of that. Right there, a couple spots there you can see. And we're gonna use the Trinity Odyssey to fluff it back up, make it look really good. So a lot of stair work today. And just the hallway and the bedroom we're going to use with the Odyssey. The rest we're going to use with the the Milwaukee. Going to be using the Milwaukee polisher and the drill there to help fluff up the stairs and work on them. So I'm going to get started. Just did a big pre-vacuum of all the areas, and now we're going to go into the pre-spray process. We're going to put down a real fine light mist of pre-spray, and then we're going to scrub this into the carpet. Oh, forgot to do this actually. This is something I always like to make sure that I pull these up just to make sure we don't get any pre-spray on them. The pre-spray will not damage them, but I like to make sure that there's no chance of anything getting on them anyway. Pump this back up. I had an electric pump, and you know, it lasted pretty good for about a year, but then it went out on me. And to be honest with you, it was really heavy and a lot of trouble. And I just find these hand ones are just as good, especially in smaller spaces, smaller rooms like this, just to use the hand pump and get everything good with that. I'm going to adjust my spray tip here a little bit. But if you hear weird noises, that's what I'm doing. I'm pumping it up with the pre-spray and the hand pump. Get the areas back here. So, how long are your carpets going to be wet is a very common question I get. And you can see, actually, see how fine that mist is I'm putting on? That's going to dry in less than an hour, especially after I do my post-extraction process on this carpet. This is not a method that leaves your carpets soaked, but it does get them just as clean, if not more clean, because of the scrubbing process that I use with the Trinity Odyssey. All right, that room is pre-sprayed. I'm gonna go get the Odyssey and bring it up. There it is right there. And we'll start with the scrub strips. You see these have, the dark blue have this really nice scrub strip that's gonna scrub. And then we'll finish it off with the extracting bonnet right here on top. That'll soak up any extra moisture. And on the bottom, this is called a pad driver, and that just holds the pad in place. We do not actually scrub with those brushes. It would be way too rough. They just hold these in place so that we can scrub. Best thing about this machine is it's got triple cleaning motion. So it rotates, it oscillates, and it tamps up and down. And so you get those 3-in-1 motion while it's on. We got about a 1 horsepower machine here. And it goes through the carpet and really gets it clean and scrubbed, and then gets all the soil extracted out into the pad. And then I wash these. When I wash these, you would not believe the amount of soil that comes out of them. It's crazy. Side note, just got a brand new washing machine, Speed Queen. The thing is phenomenal. If you need a new washing machine, you cannot get better than a Speed Queen. So excited to have that as part of my cleaning process as well. All right, I'm gonna get this upstairs and then show you how it looks. Okay, so we are ready. Got the Odyssey all set up. Got a scrubbing pad underneath there. We're gonna scrub out the soil from this bathroom right here on the floor. And here we go. A little bit at a time so you can see the difference. Took care of that. Other thing I love about the Odyssey is how quiet it is. Look at that. This area got a lot of traffic too. we've got our cotton bonnet to absorb any and extra moisture we have on the ground here. And we're going to go through this now and just get it as dry as we can. All right, so we just finished that up. Looks fantastic, and I want to show you. I've put the scrub script, sprayed the hallway now. I want to show you the difference. Look, and actually you can see some of the dirt came through a little bit to the other side of the pad. But this is how clean it was before, and this is after pulling out the dirt that was in the carpet, extracting the soil. So quite a good job of pulling it out there. Looks fantastic, nice and smooth and clean. And the only step left is to rake it out with the carpet grooming brush, and it'll dry super quick and be done. So I'm moving on to the hallway now. All right, so with the stairs, I've pre-sprayed this, and just gonna show you the difference. Because I can't get my Odyssey on stairs, I'm gonna use my drill brush to scrub. And then I use a pad, and then I use a pad with the polisher to extract. Just like that. Now let's see here. Look at the soil on this here. Look at the difference. All right, now I'll go through that. I'd want to do it two-handed. It gets it a little bit better, but just wanted to show you the process so you understood how it worked. And we've got one set of stairs done here already. And it looks great. And now I'm working on this last set of stairs right here. So I'll be back with some after photos. All right, last step is just to rake it out. This is where we groom it and makes it look very nice. Much easier to do this with two hands, but I wanted to show you again what it looks like. That area's already done.